Hey everybody, Mike with Enviroscape LA. We're at Environmental Charter School in Gardena. It's a middle school. Now, when we got called out here originally, there was a contractor before us who built a pond. But in my estimation, a pond without a filter is like a toilet bowl without a flush. And it was just nasty and disgusting. So what we did was we came in here, we modified the pond, we added a filter system. So take a look, this is the filter system we added. This is called the Filter Clear 4000. So fish water, there's an OASE pump, Aquaponics 3600 that pushes up into the Filter Clear. There's a bunch of sponges. It collects all the solids, fish waste, poop, and it keeps them there. And then it puts the fresh water back into the pond. Well, we decided that we put a hose here so that when they flush the system, flush the toilet bowl, so to speak, it goes out into the plants. And check out how gorgeous these plants are. These are all California natives, or food for people. Food for people, food for pollinators. So it's a great idea. It's a great concept for kids to learn, especially if the younger. You can teach kids about these concepts better, because we need to start thinking about sustainability for our communities and for our civilization. Also, too, we decided to add another element. This is called a tower garden. It's typically an aeroponic system. And what this does normally is you fill it up with 20 gallons of water with a hose, put some nutrients in there, and then it pushes water up to the top and it goes down. So it's everything self-contained. Well, we modified this. We put a drain at the bottom, and we put another pump, a second pump inside the pond, which takes fish water, which is nutrient rich, and it pushes fish water up to the top. And check out the water there. That's actually fish water through these holes. You can see that. So fish water goes through the system. The plant roots pull out the excess nutrients, and it drains back into the pond. So it's growing food without, growing this way of planting plants and then growing with this type of system. Aquaponics will save you at least 95% water over a traditional garden, which you put water and then you never see it again. This is recycling the same water over and over again, and it's cleaning the pond. So great ideas and what you can do for the future, for your community, for your schools. Mike from Enviroscape LA signing off. When you think of regenerative practices and permaculture, think Enviroscape LA.